Hello friends, welcome to our channel Be a Believer. Today we are going to talk about fascinating facts about ancient Egypt pyramids. 4000 years ago, Egyptians have made a masterpiece called as pyramid. We all have heard about the pyramids, but there are biggest fascinating and coincidental facts are there to know about pyramids. 23 lakhs limestones have been used in a single pyramid. Yes, 23 lakhs limestones. Now, most fascinating thing is each limestone is having a weight of 2700 to 70,000 kilograms. How they have transported this much heavier limestones at that time? Even at that time there were no transportation facilities. So how they have been managed to transport such heavier limestones? Pyramid is in the center of the earth. Again, this is the most fascinating and coincidental thing about pyramid. Construction of pyramid has been made through ball and socket method. This method has been used to get sewage from the earthquake. This method has also been helped to manage heat expansion. In an Egypt, some of the part is too hot, so that pyramid has been made by this method so that they can handle heat expansion. The most fascinating thing about pyramid is its temperatures inside. No matter how heat outside the pyramid, but there is only 20 Celsius inside the pyramid. This temperature is the most suitable to human body. The way they have structured its temperature not getting higher even a single Celsius. Such construction has been made 4000 years ago, which is very fascinating stuff. Many researchers have told that such construction cannot be made by humans, as 4000 years ago there were no electricity, there were no equipment, and there were no transportation. They have also told that there are many wall designs are there in Egypt in which many aliens and spaceship can be seen. So they have made a conclusion that pyramid has been made by aliens, as humans cannot be made pyramid which having limestones having weightage of 2700 to 70,000 kilograms. Without machine, humans cannot lift such heavy stones. There are few interesting theories related to pyramid, so let's talk about it. Number 1, Orion correlation theory. As per the Orion correlation theory concerned, the positions of main three ancient pyramids correlated with relative position of three stars in the constellation of Orion, which make up Orion's belt. This cannot be coincidental, as humans cannot calculate such stuffs from Earth. At that time there were no aeroplane even after how pyramid has been made which correlated with three stars in the same position. Even at that time there were no latest equipments available, but still it has been made so precisely, which made it more fascinating. Number 2, Dendera Light Temple. In Egypt, there is one temple called as Dendera Temple, which was made by Egyptians for their god Hathor. In this temple, you can see many wall designs which depicted that there were an electricity at that time. 4000 years ago, there were an electricity, and that we can see in the wall designs. After finding such wall designs, the name of that temple has been changed to Dendera Light Temple. Third one, the Great Sphinx. The Great Sphinx is one of the biggest statue in the world, having a height of 73.5 meter. The fascinating stuff about this statue is it has been made from a single stone. The face of the statue is not look like any human, which again gives the glimpse of an alien. There are lots of tunnels inside the statue and till date no one can explore it out fully. Nobody can able to explore the whole pyramid till date, and still there are lots many hidden things in a pyramid. Even after technology upgraded, still we are not been able to find any proper conclusion about this, which shown their knowledge about construction at that time. If you like this video, then do press like button, share these fascinating facts with your friends and relatives, and subscribe it for more such amazing videos. Thank you so much for your support.